Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to create a public load balancer in Azure. A public load balancer is essential for distributing incoming network traffic across multiple virtual machines, ensuring your applications remain highly available and scalable. We'll cover the fundamental steps, from selecting the right SKU to configuring essential components. This setup helps manage traffic efficiently, providing a robust solution for your public-facing services and improving overall performance for your users. Let's dive into the key components of an Azure Public Load Balancer. First, the front-end IP configuration is the public IP address where your traffic arrives. Next, backend pools are collections of virtual machines or scale sets that will handle the requests. Health probes continuously check the health of these backend instances, ensuring traffic only goes to healthy ones. Finally, load balancing rules define how incoming traffic on a specific port is distributed to your backend instances. Creating a public load balancer in Azure involves a few straightforward steps. Begin by searching for load balancers in the Azure portal and selecting Create. You'll then specify a resource group, a unique name, your desired region, and the appropriate SKU, either basic or standard. Next, configure the front-end IP address, which can be a new public IP or an existing one. After that, define your backend pool and add the virtual machines that will serve your application. Finally, set up health probes and load balancing rules to ensure proper traffic distribution. Public load balancers offer significant benefits, primarily enhancing your application's availability and fault tolerance by distributing traffic across multiple instances. This also enables horizontal scaling, allowing your application to handle increased loads seamlessly. For optimal performance and advanced features, consider using the standard SKU, which supports zone redundancy and high availability ports. Always integrate your load balancer with security measures like Azure Firewall or network security groups to protect your backend resources effectively.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.